it's time to head to the kids' favourite whiting and brim hole, just a short walk away at the park's very own boat ramp.
Geez, what a spot.
Good spot for fish.
Sure is. Who's got the worms? It's a great place to have a fish, isn't it? With the kids, it's really easy and safe, and you get the odd whiting or brim here, I reckon.
Yeah, terrific spot. The kids come down here. It's not far, as you said.
Yeah.
Nice breeze.
Yeah.
And occasionally we catch. We've caught a few things down here, whiting, but we've caught a few flatheads,
Yeah. Stingrays. There's a lot of fresh water at the moment,
But
which
we've
is
caught a
real
lot
good.
of good memories.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
And it's not long before our lack of patience is rewarded regardless,
Hey, he's got one. He's got one.
with this massive beast that we've managed to haul ashore.
That's a mini version. They get much bigger than that, but that's a pretty good start, I reckon. What do you reckon? Do you know what it is?
A brim.
Yeah, it's a brim, all right. Little baby brim. It's nearly as big as the hook.
Can you eat it as
Oh, don't. We have an escapee. He got back himself. All right, let's do that again.
The Broadwater Tourist Park at the northern end of the Gold Coast offers plenty for kids with a bunch of stuff to do. They love it so much they're doing backflips, literally.